For us, it's a very special moment to put this new factory in operation. Great moment, and we are very humbled. You can see with all the advanced elements, we generate a lot of character, and the cars do stand out on the road to provide a great ride. The design of the DEEPAL S05 is very unique. It takes inspiration from aircraft. It's young, agile, and very, very attractive. Be assured that we will deliver fascinating products that will resonate with customers on a global scale. We take in customer voices, we hear what the customers want, and we try to interpret that into fascinating, outstanding design.